Room 21. I'm here with my friend Isla, and who's this, Isla?
Two.
This is your dog. Her name is Two. I was wondering, we've been talking about farm animals, and we know that we find pigs on a farm, but we also find farm dogs. What kind of dog is Two?
Border Collie, Blue Heeler, Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. Oh, she's really soft. So does she have fur or scales?
Fur.
She does have really soft fur, huh? And how many paws does she have?
4.
4 paws. Dogs have 4 paws. What is your favorite game to play with Two?
Throw and chase.
Throw and chase. Can you show us?
Yes.
Okay.
You go get the